About 10 years ago, I started losing teeth, and I lost 2 in a matter of 1 year. So I spoke to Dr. Fishman, and he said I'd be a great candidate for Teeth in a Day. It's really disheartening having to not smile because you know your smile isn't very nice. So Dr. Fishman had showed me some of the things that he had done with the Teeth in a Day, and I was blown away. I said, well, you know, if I'm a good candidate for this, let's go for it. I had my college 30th anniversary that I was going to, and I really love the fact that I could show the joy that I experienced with all my fellow classmates in pictures and not having to kind of hide my teeth because I was ashamed of them. It was which I was doing. I was a lot of hand to the mouth when talking and things like that. The one thing that I really liked that Dr. Fishman did is I was born with a little gap in my front. And Dr. Fishman said, well, do you want to lose the gap or do you want to keep it? Because the gap is part of you, part of your personality that all your friends and everybody has known you for so long. And I thought that was great. I said, well, yeah, let's keep it. Let's keep it as close as we can. I showed pictures to Dr. Fishman from 35 years ago, and he replicated it to the T. It was great. And to this day, you know, I don't think that a lot of people know that I had the procedure done.